Choosing the right digital microscope can be tricky. Low resolution, unstable stands, small screens, and poor lighting often make precision work frustrating. That's why modern digital microscopes are a game changer. They deliver sharp magnification, large displays, HDMI output, and hands-free viewing for soldering, PCB repair, and electronics work. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best digital microscopes of 2026, selected after analyzing specs, real user feedback, and professional repair needs. All product links are in the description for updated prices. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more smart tech reviews. Number 5. Hayve 7-inch Digital Microscope. The Hayve 7-inch digital microscope is a solid entry-level option for phone repair and soldering tasks. It offers up to 1200x zoom with a 12MP camera that delivers clear HD images on its large built-in screen. The wide display reduces eye strain and makes detailed PCB work easier. Adjustable LED lighting improves visibility, while USB support allows image capture and sharing. Its stable stand and simple controls make it beginner-friendly, ideal for hobbyists, students, and light electronics repair without spending a premium. Number 4. YIZHAN 48MP 4K Soldering Microscope. The YIZHAN 48MP digital microscope is designed for users who want high resolution at a reasonable price. It supports full HD 1080p HDMI output and offers a flexible 1 to 150x zoom range for precise electronics work. The microscope connects easily to monitors and PCs via HDMI and USB, with software support for measurements and image capture. A sturdy lens stand ensures stability during soldering. With sharp imaging and fast shipping from Europe, it's a practical choice for workshops and repair professionals. Number 3. Elikliv EM4K 4K Digital Microscope. The Elikliv EM4K stands out with its large 10.1-inch display and powerful 4K HDMI output. It delivers up to 2000x magnification, making it excellent for detailed PCB inspection and SMD soldering. The boom arm holder provides flexible positioning and frees up workspace for tools. Images appear sharp, bright, and highly detailed, even at high zoom levels. Built for serious electronics work, this microscope is ideal for technicians who need precision, comfort, and professional-level viewing quality. Number 2. TOMLOV DM9 Pro HDMI Digital Microscope. The TOMLOV DM9 Pro is a professional-grade digital microscope featuring a 7-inch IPS screen with excellent color accuracy and wide viewing angles. It offers up to 1200x magnification and a 16MP sensor for crisp images. HDMI output allows real-time viewing on larger monitors, making it perfect for coin inspection, PCB repair, and soldering tasks. The entire coin view capability and solid metal stand improve usability and stability. This model balances performance, build quality, and versatility for serious users. Number 1. Andonstar AD246SM-Plus Trinocular Microscope. The Andonstar AD246SM-Plus is the most advanced digital microscope on this list. It features a trinocular design with UHD 2160p HDMI output and up to 2000x magnification for extreme detail. Designed for professional PCB, SMD soldering, and phone repair, it delivers outstanding clarity and depth. The robust build, advanced optics, and multi-output support make it ideal for labs and repair centers. If you want top-tier performance with future-ready imaging, this microscope is the ultimate choice. Digital microscopes make electronics repair faster, clearer, and more accurate. These 5 models offer excellent image quality, stable designs, and professional features for different budgets. Whether you're a hobbyist or a repair expert, there's a perfect option here.
Which one would you choose? Comment below and subscribe for more tech reviews.